अविनाश को ना कुछ नहीं पता था मेरे बारे में।
Really?
अभी
अब
आके
पता चल
हार
गया
गया ये लड़का।
दाल
चावल at
और
home.
पोहा, yogurt. You were going on and on about दाल चावल.
दाल चावल,
You should get
हाँ.
that point. Yogurt कहाँ से आ गया?
योगर्ट ना, वो दाल चावल है प्लीज।
Isha's birth year.
Oh my god।
Have you guys discussed this?
इम्तियाज अली।
इम्तियाज अली. Wow.
I don't think so यार।
अरे लिखो लिखो, no no no. Then उसको point मिल जाएगा anyway. Imtiaz Ali, she should get 2 extra points for that
Yeah.
difficult question. And even dal chawal, I didn't give her a point, but it was very unfair. Okay.
स्पीड है।
हाँ.
देवा और साकिब, his name is साकिब, जॉर्डन एंड ईशा।
Isha Jordan. Wow.
जॉर्डन लिखा।
सब same है. Someone Avinash doesn't want to meet outside Big Boss.
तो यार की लिस्ट है काफी।
Wow, you guys are truly best friends. So guys, we are with Isha and Avinash and we are playing a compatibility test with both of them. आज सुबह से I know आपने खेल चुके हो 2-3 बार, तो अभी सबको पूरा आना चाहिए.
अविनाश को ना कुछ नहीं पता था मेरे बारे में।
Really?
अभी
अब
आके
पता चल
हार
गया।
गया ये लड़का।
Full marks मिलने चाहिए अभी दोनों को. ठीक है, for Isha, your first question for him is Avinash's favorite holiday destination.
माओ।
You should know this. You should know this.
Okay. Oh wow.
Oh.
Really compatible. Mountains. See, it's not even a destination to be honest, but as
Yeah.
long as the
I love
answer
mountains.
matches.
Yeah.
Okay. So Isha, you get 1 point. Wow. Okay. For Avinash, Isha's favorite color. Okay. Oh, black.
Nice.
पहना भी आप दोनों of course काला शाह काला so. Okay. Isha, for you, Avinash's favorite eatery in Bombay.
Eatery.
हाँ, जहाँ से उनको खाना बहुत पसंद
कुछ
है
नहीं।
जाना. दिखाओ दिखाओ, अब आपने देख लिया है. What is this?
दाल चावल at
और
home.
पोहा. Yogurt. You were going on and on about दाल चावल.
चावल,
You should get that point. Yogurt कहाँ से आ गया?
योगर्ट ना, वो दाल चावल है प्लीज।
Not getting a point.
No, but you can't get because उन्होंने नहीं लिखा है, yogurt लिखा है. Okay. Isha's birth year.
Oh my god।
Correct. Okay.
Oh, buddy.
Avinash is at 2, Isha, you are at 1. Huh? You have to give me an exact number how many followers he has on Instagram. उसको खुद ही नहीं पता है.
हाँ, ज़्यादा क्या?
Nice. Okay. So now even Isha is at 2. It's 2 all. For Isha, do you think she prefers heels or sneakers? Lovely. Avinash gets
That's a
3.
point.
अब
Yes.
मुझे गलत हील्स लिख देना चाहिए था।
अभी सुबह से तो कर करके he knows everything about you.
हाँ।
Okay. One Bollywood filmmaker he really likes or wants to work with. Have you guys discussed this?
इम्तियाज अली।
इम्तियाज अली. Wow. That was a tough one. मेरे को नहीं लगा था आ जाएगा.
ये सब
Discussion हो गई है. Okay. Avinash, someone Isha doesn't want to meet from Big Boss any longer.
ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है। I want to
कोई
meet
तो होगा
everybody.
कि नहीं, वो खुद से जिसके साथ नई प्लान बनाएगी. मिल गए कहीं अचानक तो इट्स फाइन.
I don't think so यार।
किसी का तो
अरे लिखो लिखो, नो नो नो. देन उसको पॉइंट मिल जाएगा एनीवे. Yes. चाहत. Okay. Avinash is at 4, Isha is at 3.
Two, ना?
नहीं. Isha got a point ना अभी. Imtiaz Ali, she should get 2 extra points for
Yeah,
that
yeah.
difficult question. And even dal chawal, I didn't give her a point, but it was very unfair. Okay. Any 3 people, Isha, that Avinash has on his speed dial.
Speed dial.
हाँ.
मैं ही हूँ.
So you can write. One is yours, your name, and बाकी 2.
You know all of them. Arre. You know my people. My call log list.
Deva or Sakit. His name is Sakit. Jordan and Isha.
Isha Jordan. Wow.
Jordan लिखा.
सब same है. Wow. Lovely.
you get a point.
Isha gets, now it's 4 all. So we
मुझे देवा का नाम नहीं याद आया था.
last दो questions each है. So Avinash, for you, do you think Isha, whenever she plans to get married, she'll get married for love or for compatibility? What will she choose more? दिखाओ.
I get the point.
Love.
buddy. I won.
No.
No,
there is
काय
one
का you
more.
won?
उसको तो मेरे को 2 questions अब पूछने हैं to figure it out, to equal it out. Okay, Isha. Someone Avinash doesn't want to meet outside Big Boss.
लो भाई. एक ही का लिखना है.
अविनाश की लिस्ट है काफी.
Wow, you guys are truly best friends. कि हम दोनों की सेम इंसान से नहीं पटेगी. Wow.
मतलब
नहीं
सबसे
अभी
मैं क्यों
ठीक है यार.
मिलूं? सबसे वो क्यों? सबसे वो
But
क्यों?
least bonded, हम नहीं कर पाते हैं सबके साथ vibe. So maybe the least bonded person.
अदरवाइज मुझसे कभी मिलेगी भी चाहत तो आई मीट हर वेरी नाइसली.
Lovely. That is
सामने
maturity.
से आना चाहिए.
रात गई बात गई. The
हाँ,
show is
मैं
over
इतना कुछ
now.
नहीं होल्ड ऑन
Yeah.
करती हूँ.
Lovely. Okay, lastly, Avinash, one thing Isha is a little irritated about in your, like, आपकी एक habit जो उनको irritate करती है. She has written the answer.
अरे इतना लंबा लिख दी क्या?
Oh my God, not enjoying food and morning person food. Wow.
Food, no.
ठीक है, Avinash gets a point. Now Avinash is at 6, you are at 5. This is your last question.
Bro!
Isha. So you can be at tie.
Okay.
जीतेगा कोई नहीं फिर भी. But
हाँ,
if you
फिर
lose, he wins, okay? One habit of yours that irritates or annoys him. अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. You saw his board. दिखा दो guys. Not
तुझे
being
मेरा
on-
फूड हैबिट इरिटेट करता है. नॉट बीइंग ऑन टाइम इरिटेट्स यू. मेरा.
Also.
That is true. See, he's saying that.
So guys, with his
मैं
clearness
उल्टा
and
लिख रही थी
chalaki,
फिर से.
he has Avinash
This
has
is-
won, but I
this is
do
the right-
feel, yeah, but I do feel both of them truly know each other. अब इतने दिन साथ में गुजारे हैं Big Boss में.
We
so
know each
obviously.
other.
अब तो
But on that note, thank you so much, guys. I
Thank
wish
you.
there is like a full-fledged rom-com that's made. I genuinely feel you guys will be amazing in something like Salam Namaste or something.
Aw,
You know,
I
a
love
rom-com like that. जो 2000s में हम देखते थे. So I'm manifesting that for you guys.
Thank you.
But thank you so much for joining and all the very best.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.